Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the technical situation of broader market as well as bank nifty purely from technical perspective. What could be the probable path in the coming time period and how the market has behaved in the current days or in the on the weekdays which has passed as of now. So here is the daily chart of a Nifty, and we can see a clearly downtrend in the broader market, where the market is moving into an falling price channel into a lower top, lower bottom formation, where you can see that on an every bounce the market is getting sell off over the resistance line of the trend channel. So in the current week, we have seen that the market has given and closed around 17,100 level with a weekly loss of almost 313 points, or in terms of percentage, it was a loss of 1.8 percentage. However, the market was able to give a positive close on the last day, that is on the Friday, having a smart pullback which we have seen. So as of now in the current scenario, you can see that the market is moving on a daily chart in lower top, lower bottom formation, trading below its all the moving averages, that is short term, medium term and long term, which defines that the broader market trend is clearly on the downward side. Talking about support and resistance, the market has given almost a close near to its support level after giving a bounce back from a smart or strong support zone of near to 16,800. Below that 16,800, the next major support is coming around 16,600. While on the higher side, we are seeing that this 200 days moving average, that is this grayish line, might provide some amount of supply, and above that, that is 17,600 will be an next important supply zone. Let us see on weekly chart how market seems to be looking. So this is the weekly chart of Nifty. Over here we are seeing and visibly clearly a downtrend where every release is getting sell off. The on the lower side we are seeing that this momentum indicator relative strength, which is clearly indicating its notch toward the downward side. The daily chart is indicating that since on a momentum basis from daily perspective, the market is little bit into an oversold territory. So there is a little bit chances of some amount of pullback up to the 200 days moving average, which as of now placed somewhere between 17,400 to 17,500. The clear value of 200 days is as of now placed at 17,451. So the chances that the broader market might give some amount of pullback due to the oversold nature, but every rally seems to be the getting sold off. So let us see how bank nifty, which is the another index hard broadly traded, how it looks. Bank nifty. So this is the daily chart of bank nifty. Over here we are clearly seeing that bank nifty is also into a crystal clear downtrend. On a daily chart, it is also into a lower top, lower bottom formation. As well, it is trading below its short term, medium term and long term moving averages. From last 2 days only, we are able to see some amount of respite in bank nifty. The bank nifty is clearly given and closed somewhere around 39,900 39,928, that is 39,930. So on the downward side, clear support is placed at 38,600, and below that it might drift down up to 38,000, while on the higher side still 40,500 and 41,000 will be a major supply zone. On a weekly chart basis also, the chart of bank nifty seems to be looking quite weaker. On a weekly basis, the bank nifty has grossly underperformed the broader market and has fallen slightly higher than nifty, that is 2.19%, which we can see. The probability of incoming time period for bank nifty seems to be coming down up to the major support of 37,500 to 37,200 seems to be quite high. So this is the view on bank nifty. So for next week, we have identified two stocks which has the potential to outperform the broader market. One stock is DLF Limited. So this is the daily chart of Nifty, where you can see a good amount of volume has happened today. In last two trading session, after forming this hammer pattern, DLF has sharply moved on the higher side with good amount of volume. Almost a range trading breakout type of thing is clearly visible. On an relative strength index, that is momentum indicator, it is forming some inverse head and shoulder type of pattern. It has surpassed its on daily chart its short term medium term moving averages, and has crossed also its 200 days moving average. So any dip somewhere around the zone of 360 to 365 will be an ideal opportunity to enter this stock, with a stop loss placing at 350. On the higher side, this stock has the potential to move up to the mark of 415. Let us see another counter which seems to be looking quite strong from technical perspective. That is Trend Limited. A small triangle has been formed. This stock is into an higher top, higher bottom formation, trading above its majority of the moving averages. After having a gap up opening with record amount of volume, the stock has gone into a sideways movement and has been consolidated. At least crystal clear convergence of majority of the moving average is seen. So one can go long in this counter at current market price with a stop loss placing at 1300. This stock has the possibility of moving up to the mark of 1480, that is the previous swing top. So one can watch out this stock, as a beautiful small triangle has been formed, which is a continuation pattern in the main trend. A breakout above that falling trend line will give a sharp upward momentum. So friends, that's it for the current week. Thank you very much for joining us and listening us. Have a happy weekend, and wish you a very great trading session coming time. Thank you very much.